What's the reason Taj Mahal has been considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world for centuries? The reason? It leaves a lasting impression long after you've seen it. And somehow, this stone does the same. This is Taj Mahal. At some point, you've probably dreamt about having a palace of your own. Just like a high-end royal chamber, Taj Mahal Quartzite carries the same presence that its name promises, so that clients don't have to sit around and fantasize about it anymore. Gentle white, natural movement through veining. It doesn't just make a room look beautiful, it actually changes the entire atmosphere. Suddenly, the space feels calmer, richer, more intentional, like somewhere you actually want to stay for a while. Now, there are cases where designers have worked so hard to create their space, but the fear of damaging natural stone holds back homeowners from actually enjoying that space, from actually living in it. Hey, yeah, that's a floor. You're gonna ruin it. But you actually can lead with beauty and function in mind. Although the Taj Mahal stone looks delicate, it's actually one of the hardest natural stones in the world, and naturally more resistant to stains and scratches. Beauty you don't have to worry about. Here's where it gets interesting. In the world of tile, 3/8 thickness is a standard size. And it's great because it helps tie in different tiles into the design seamlessly. However, if something doesn't align with that, it makes the designer work significantly harder. Achieving that thickness with the density of Taj Mahal Quartzite simply wasn't possible before dual set tile engineered its own way to make it so. Cleaner installation, smoother transitions, and far more flexibility across walls, floors, and large spaces. It sounds technical, but in design, that's what makes the space feel cohesive. Taj Mahal by Dual Set Tile comes in 6 different designs, all honed, large format tiles, starting at 18 by 36, 2 mosaics on mesh, and a pencil liner that's rectangular with soft edges. Whatever the scale, whatever the application, this is the type of stone that people remember. Dual Set.